For manufacturers and operators of heavy machinery, time is money, so it's critical to have a plan before a machine fails.
Hello, Bob here. What seems to be the problem?
Hello. The hammer's not working properly.
Okay. Is it unusually hot there?
No, it's normal temperature here.
Imagine if you didn't have to listen to only half the story, and then try to work out what was really happening.
Are there any issues with the hydraulics?
No, nothing that I can see.
Now imagine if there was another way. What if you could monitor the machine hydraulics in real time and get the full story without even going on site?
Any problems, Bob?
All under control. Their hose burst. I've sent out a replacement.
Good work, Bob.
If you want peace of mind like Bob, get in touch today to discuss Webtec's IoT concept. Be like Bob.